Hey guys, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder and chief revenue officer of Marketplace Valet. We have been an Amazon seller since 2006 with over 400,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to help you learn about Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about common causes for zero impressions on Amazon PPC. Let's get into it. Welcome. In this video, we'll be discussing why your Amazon PPC campaigns might be getting zero impressions and what steps you can take to fix that. It's a common problem many sellers encounter, and while it can be frustrating, there are a few straightforward explanations that we'll walk through together. The first thing to consider is your daily budget. If your budget is too low, Amazon won't be able to show your ads as frequently or in some cases at all. It's important to review your budget and make sure it aligns with your campaign's goals. If you're competing in a niche where ad costs are higher, a small budget just won't cut it, and your ads will get pushed aside. Next, take a look at your keyword bids. Every keyword on Amazon has a recommended bid range, and if your bids are lower than what Amazon suggests, your ads may not be competitive enough to appear. Even if your ads are active, if the bids aren't high enough, they may not get the visibility they need. Make sure your bid is in line with the competition for the keywords you're targeting. Another important factor is search volume. If the keywords you're targeting don't have enough traffic, your ads won't generate impressions. Even if you've set up everything else correctly, low search volume means your ads won't be displayed simply because there's no one searching for those terms. Always check the search volume of your keywords before starting a campaign to ensure there's enough demand for your product. You should also consider adjusting your bids if you're not seeing impressions. Increasing your bids slightly can sometimes make a big difference, especially for more competitive keywords. This can help push your ads higher up in the rankings and ensure they're shown to more customers. Lastly, relevancy plays a big role in whether or not your ads are shown. Amazon wants to show ads that are relevant to what shoppers are searching for. If your keywords don't closely match your product, or if Amazon's algorithm doesn't consider your product a good fit for the keywords, your ads may not appear. Make sure your keywords are aligned with your product and check to see if you're indexing well for them. If not, this could be a major reason why your ads are getting zero impressions. In conclusion, if your Amazon PPC campaigns aren't getting impressions, start by checking your budget, reviewing your bids, making sure your keywords have enough search volume, and focusing on relevancy. With these adjustments, you should start to see more activity in your campaigns. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. If you have any questions, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.